Guys, welcome to my channel. This is the latest DIY tutorial for my summer series, and I'm calling this the Golden Shimmer Sandal. It kind of looks like a diamond necklace for your foot. That sounds dramatic, but it's so pretty and it's so easy to make. So if you like this and you want to add it to your wardrobe, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to make this look. For this project, I used E6000 glue and a pair of golden flip-flops. I also used some leftover Swarovski crystals that I had in the light silk color, and you may remember these from a couple of tutorials that I've already done. This is a beautiful color and I thought it would match the golden flip-flops perfectly and give it that shimmer that I was looking for. The only design pattern that you really have to establish is how far up the strap you want the crystals to go. So I'm going to get started and show you my progress. This is the progress of the flip-flop so far, and I love how the light silk crystals match this flip-flop perfectly, so I'm going to keep going and check back in. This is one side of the flip-flop completed. I've taken the strap as far as I want to go, and now I'm going to do the other side and show you the final result. As a reminder, this is what the flip-flop looked like before. This is the unfinished side. This is the final result. I love, love, love how this turned out. I think it is so pretty, so inexpensive. So just remember, get the gold flip-flops from Old Navy and get the light silk Swarovski crystals, and you too can have this look. This is what it looks like with the light off. I just love this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really great week, and I will see you next time.